Ebo bi official pa na yegusu ye adwuma bebre enunti ena moteme nka ache. I think say the whole of this year, this is my first video in the year 2024. I've not posted any video this year. First of all, I'm do be asked those who've called to check up to find out what's going on. Thank you very much. First announcement. My announcement to other places, but I have to do it here. I'm now with Oyepa, FM and Oyepa TV, and let's say Promise Media. So Promise TV, Promise FM, Oyepa FM, and Oyepa TV. I want to say so bet me what. So I remember during the show, people were asking questions. If you are me, no. Oba subscribe to the channel. No, I enjoy content. So happy New Year, and that's the first major announcement. Move, transfer now. If you are coming on, na it's something dorsum. Yes, there's this one I also need to make. The videos are ready, so roughly by tomorrow morning, Saturday I'll publish the video of every Kotoko fan. Now the discussion surrounding the Kotoko player of the first round. That video will be published tomorrow morning. I think the other announcement by Murphy, by popular request, and of course, be by me so. We are doing a lot of renovations here. There's some people na kakra bi na me here. Then we don't go around that who carpentry works are here. The Soubet Studios. A better Soubet studio that represents Kotoko. And then I'm a deba. This is Kotoko. And this is where the Kotoko news is coming from. So it's almost that. But I needed to find a corner biname. Dieneno, Yanamode, Achemekakra. But you go so, there is some no ever. Now, I mean, the camphor we mouth quick. News we mouth before I forget. It's not even part of my stories. Pokupan Tesha Ebeko Afcon. Coach Ogum Ebeko Afcon. These are two news I said them out. The Ministry of Youth and Sports, based on intelligence on the grounds, I'm a picking yourself. Pokupan Tertiary, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, impressed with their kind of support. Omun say Emranti ene nyomwa omukoko transinibi. So from the MMA picking up, say ochina bi hu say Pokupan Tertiary ya ma omoso e de omukọ Afcon say omunko shijama indi the blasters etia. Don't be surprised. So be team na dem out. Again, Coach Ogum. Say o monitor eventer. No say World Cup ne Afcon ne ade no. The local coaches be Kobe. The last time na Ignatius Moka ho amomunya bi koi. From the MA picking Ogum will be part of the team to join the Afcon setup. And also the eba the amount. 85% confirmed with that Ogum dieno. But Pokupan Tertiary then they 100% confirmed. Process near the crash start here. Egusu air cost we sese me de emamo. And some of the Dawson, ebi, and else I'm scripted to me corner freestyle. Jimmy corner buy na the Mekaya, the Abba, Abua no gu a main kind, ebi a baby aname de amamo. Na me call. So no headlines, freestyle. The second thing is the third thing or whatever. Say Kotoko started 2 letters, no. And the letters are reaching the clubs. Now letters neko clubs no ha. Aya na conditionalities be there. Conditions be shishan. And then on our FM and our TV meka Mura Emmanuel Avornyo Nkomo mupa. And no ma course be bam so said no I need to do a video. Mura Avornyo Nkomo mupa. Now this is it. Let know officially. My started Avornyo and started at the first player before I move on to other players. Officially let Tenapa could do with United. That was in the morning. The moment sharing the update in the morning. Timere update and opadi and anamide. Other ones na count up the asabe kahon after an opanamidini in amount. So let Tenapa corner. Makwa could do. Became United administrative manager and Sakai. And on the management of Became United Kasai. But I don't pay no more training. So after the training, they engage the player Emmanuel Avornyo. Now, before I even move on to what happened during the engagement, I know cancer on radio. Now, I enumerate details about the first what do you call it? The first transfer that is summer. Kotoko de call Avornyo. Became United Bob or no man to Kotoko Nkebio. And from many sources, they were not happy with that from Kotoko. Because obviously a negotiations. It's a Uber player. That's a club no boy. They are expecting you to write back to them. Say, for one or two reasons, we don't need a player. And now say you respond to them, say, be one was wrong. The moment often they did not hear from Kotoko. So they felt that Asante Kotoko is serious. Kakrom test waters. And that was the conversation in the morning. My name is source being come from Bechem. Now, Omushia Avornyo, and the ma pick it from me here say Avornyo can yes. So Bebo Kotoko. Or cases you there say Onya Kotoko Bebo. So the leadership should start negotiation with Asante Kotoko. And he got company for more expected Bechem letter. Maybe by do Adam Obekwe now Bernadano Namonsa can Bechem for letter. On Emmanuel Avornyo. I have called no crabit me a name. But from Bechem side there, now Bechem in the position to sell Emmanuel Avornyo. Now the price tag no my friend man. Bechem for come on here say a branch of Emmanuel Avornyo. Okay. So we share Emmanuel Avornyo. Almost the $30,000 now to us. And almost pay $1 no at 10 cedis. It's almost 300,000 Ghana cedis. 3 billion. It is because Bechem United for some call Benjamin and Ketia from Kimfisa 120,000 Ghana cedis. Goalkeeper. It is also bad the who I saw Tom or the Teneca. That is Avornyo the no 300,000. We my bob will be a car as a Uber Nekai. They were not selling less than that. That is what that is their source, the mammy and the panel. Bibias Sam and the Bebro. Or tonight Saturday. I believe say I'll finish some part of it, but I know maybe a part of it, so I'll move there. And it's me a kohasi, in my more extensive one day. Whether Kotoko here, Avornyo or here, I'll do that tomorrow. The second player, let the Ako, Swatremai. Inti, Utis will be a castle let Ako do Swatremai and Okre. And in Penifone and a castle, also a yes to Kotoko. The right back, that is Emmanuel Kotei Emmanuel Avornyo and Emmanuel Kotei. Momu interest. Ewa Asante Kotoko nshishe mwa. Wamaka yes to the club. Enti Kotei die no so no. Waka yes se Onya Kotoko bebo. Na in swatre position. They are ready to negotiate with Kotoko. Na the fee no na they say kwen sikana wamu bebo no. No sikana clubs ne bebo no. Ehona asem na eden ewo. So Avornyo yes, Kotei yes. Now some be catch ra say Asante Kotoko is after a creative midfielder. Na wetimi shegu so be kan no asem kire wo. Say Kotoko ni di nachi. Na sabren na nipa miensa pe na enim player ne din. 3 na enim. So I had to be careful. Source ni tiam na so nya abotre embodi asem beba. But they say no let no call. No. Yaman frama faswa. Emmanuel Antwi of Great Olympics. Emmanuel Antwi of Great Olympics. Kotoko ni di nachi. The letter no come Olympics. Officially. Se no we kapo wansa na aba. Enti Antwi die mene Olympics penny be din come last week because na my story no. But I mean timi mbodi. Timi ni Olympics penny be din come last week. Do catch them say mongo we yem fane mamu. Do catch them so mon fane my. So that was the conversation last week. Because I had the story, so I needed to make some. Because I'm someone fan in my head. Me name and name you call Olympics. Because my call Olympics, I'll be lying. But they told me, say, that boy, no, they are not giving it to Kotoko. No, they don't say your player who are club here willing to negotiate. Your player who are club is not willing to negotiate. Sana Emmanuel Antwi the NI. Avornyo imagine some BJ Mama Kotoko. They have a strong relationship with Kotoko. Mom said Debbie. Because those Olympics were trap players deeper underground. Mona na masia no mu twede. Nti say no mama Avornyo Kotei Emmanuel Antwi. So mo nyina na Emmanuel Antwi officially letter no call. Sunday asetena bi beba so. On the collect and the code between no catch up some per response in them. Because Emmanuel Avornyo is not the only forward that Kotoko any di actually. You come bi na me catch them say mpanifo ni nje George Mfege ho. I don't know if you remember last year. The mpanifo are not impressed with George Mfege. So from the look of things, it looks like Mfege chances near slow kakra. Was a Julius of 40 so by when teaming boy were pra. Inti Kotoko epe the Mfege type, a workaholic forward or the energy to battle with defenders, and he can operate not only as the main number 9, but from the wings and also score. And in two profiles no more power anymore. A supporting striker, a creative midfielder who can score goals. We can want them. Until Emmanuel Antwi asem naba. And I'm a catcher will say, omo per striker. I'll but to say Mfege the any bino. Oh, send the name Mfege name Bella Bono. The name Mfege both free wings, but no need to me babe shebi. Or to me creative or one hoarding. And until Avornyo abemuno. And until Prince Kwabena. Was a Prince Kwabena me can say. Me share the board me who didn't see an Kotoko any abrand who be but there was a profile explanation be a men kind from Penny. Enti Kotoko per response in terms of free be chimti about Chinana Kotoko enya. Enti de be senior say kwesi ada Kotoko ko pie mo baby any after the game of baby any for bedim come pa. No bedim come papa. On Prince Kwabena ho. Once I bet no guaba, Alex is so got calling baby and be doing come on. 4 players wait there. They are confirmed. Women na miensa forwards and about right back. Imo Ibrahim the ene daho. But I say nene say a impromptu by popular request in Tinamaba. And the woman and I'm the amount and I could go training 1. On a Friday, could create training once. Saturday, my 1. Me na no pawie ya no bubu omuketem straight to baby ani. Omu nkoda baby ani kurom ankasa. Ne mpasua so ho baby no mbeda. Na omu ne baby ani go start the akwakotam so nyame adoma Sunday the MTN FA Cup. Silver TV. Rashid not to question ne gusu ba o maka kire mo say die minim die Rashid is not coming back. Die minim is not coming back. Anyway, we from China, Silver TV is back. It will be stronger, bigger, and better than before. Bye bye.